Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri rang ba kajala Conrad ke sangmah bakran syakila pathai kubor hadin balawai ke cabinet meeting mental sngi ulaong baki pulit kajala kat badang yat kisni kidang yok kam bun kinong khi Drok Henry ke Shalan Drok ru kelanang Kiew ha kajala kabala penlong ban yok kam ye bun ngut kinong khi Drok kumta ulaong ba Jingïoh khun persya ye Drok kelanang khambha Henry ke dei ke Lynti ke badang Jlan ban Pynduh Jait sendon ye Drok ulaong ru badang don kambun kilat ke Lynti ban Trishtam ban Pynduh Jait ye Drok kumta ka sarkar kala persyang kat bala ban Pynduh Jait ye Drok Conrad ulaong ru baka sarkar ke jupenlong Jingïoh man kapor bat ke dream ban yakran bat ye phliu jengmut halor kumno ban ye le persya ye Drok
Have a meeting on the Dream project. We had organized a meeting because we regularly meet for Dream. Dream is as you know, is a program that the government has come out with in terms of the fight against drugs, and we regularly meet. So this was as per our regular meeting schedule, but unfortunately our 2 or 3 of the ministers concerned are not there, and therefore when they came, I have told them that we will just postpone it for a week or so, and we'll have the meeting when all of us are here. So this is a regular meeting. As I said, we try to meet every month. So they had happened to schedule it for today, but unfortunately, as I said, ministers were not there, some of them, and therefore I postponed the meeting, and that's why the DG had come for that.
Sir, do you see that there is an increase in drug cases in Meghalaya, or has it come down?
Depends on how you define drug cases, whether it's you're defining in terms of the number of people who have been caught supplying drugs or selling drugs, or in terms of the drug users. So it's a large question, but what is more important, I guess, to understand is that for the first time there is a very, very strong and concerted and coordinated effort by central government, the state governments within their states, and the region as a whole, the coordination that is taking place in order to fight against this entire menace of drugs. And I can tell you that this is yielding huge results, because the number of cases, which you're saying, of people being caught has gone up. Now, is that a good thing or a bad thing? Well, it means that more and more people who are involved in this are being caught, so which is a good thing. But we are seeing the frequency also of this supplies and all going up, and that's why more and more people are being caught. Police has a very strong intelligence network, and so therefore on an overall scale, we are seeing things improving. But there's a long way to go, and there are a lot of challenges that we are facing, but a lot of investments and structures have been made in the past, whether it is the dedicated workforce or the police force to target the supply chain, which has been formed. The task force is working very aggressively and very successfully. We have put up our labs to test the drugs, so that we're able to immediately charge sheet the concerned person, so that they don't go scot-free just simply because of procedural matters which used to happen in the past. But once we now have the lab in our state, we're able to take care of that, and so we are seeing an improvement. But as I said, we have to realize that there are multiple angles when it comes to drugs. There is a supply chain with the main source. There is a distribution network which has to be targeted. Then there is the aspect of the users and their rehabilitation and their health concerns, and the counseling that has to be given. So all of these requires multiple interventions at multiple levels, and in all the aspects work is being done, and this Dream platform is what brings all of this together. And that's why today we were supposed to have that meeting, but as I said, it happens every month. So by default, if not today, today is the 7th, right? Yeah, 7th of thing. No, I'm just asking the date.
2 things.
No, is the date is 7th?
Yes.
Yes.
You didn't reply my question. 8th, yeah. So on the 8th of today, so we didn't have the meeting on the 8th. We'll have the meeting maybe on 22nd, 23rd after Easter, but we'll have one meeting this month.
Yes, sir.
I don't have the numbers in terms of the usage percentage, so I have to get those details. But yes, the number has gone down. but I don't have the numbers, exact details with me, so I don't want to give the wrong details to you. This entire review of the dream was supposed to be, discussing those matters. But as I said earlier, that the results are showing, so we are. But as I said, I'm not happy with that kind of a result. There's much more to be done, and we want it to be completely drug free, and a complete. As I said, we are looking at it as a war against drugs, and we'll have to work much harder. Number two, yes, the entire call or the suggestions given by the Assam CM is absolutely correct. We all need to work together because it's a region, it's a complete route, and there are intels, informations that are connected in different states that need to be coordinated. So all of that is happening, and but yes, it should happen. It will happen in a much more coordinated way in the future. But the state governments are working very closely and sharing the intel and taking the actions necessary at their level.
So recently